Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix can't connect to this network error in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, please type for CMD. The moment you have typed it, proceed with the best match and click on up Run as administrator to continue. Now, there will be a notification of user account control asking you to say yes. Simply proceed with yes so that you would be able to give permission on running this window as administrator. For here, you need to type three command text, which is the first is ipconfig space forward slash release. Click on enter. And once you have released it, we need to renew it. So type for ipconfig space forward slash renew. Click on enter. And once you have renewed your IP configuration, type for netsh space winsock space reset. Then click on enter. And once you have successfully reset the winsock catalog, you need to close this window and restart your computer. So navigate here to start icon and proceed with your power options and click on restart. Now there is a need to restart your computer in order to complete the reset of your winsock catalog. Okay? Once you have restarted it, try to connect again into a Wi-Fi or cable that you are connecting to and check if your problem has been fixed. But let's if it doesn't, then you need to move on to our next method. Our next method would be at the bottom search bar. Please type for settings. The moment you have typed it, go with the best match and click on open to continue. Once you are here at the settings window, directly proceed to the left side of it where you can see a list of options. Where here you need to go with network and internet. Tap the net and here you need to go at the last options with it, which is called advanced network settings. Click on it. Afterwards, you would be able to see a list of options where here you need to proceed with more settings, and at the fourth of it, there you can see network reset. Tap on it once again, and after that, you would be able to see an option where you can reset your network. Now, don't worry because this will only remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. So this is good, especially if you are facing an error like can't connect to this network. So the moment you have to click on reset now, your PC will be restarted. You just have to wait until it will be done. Okay. And once you have to reopen or relaunch your Windows again, just have to connect to a Wi-Fi again and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay. So that's it. If you think this video helped you out a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.